I would like to introduce is the data type once you load your data into Tableau. So let's take a look at it together. Let's use survey dataset Excel file as an example. So let's click Microsoft Excel and load the survey dataset Excel file. So we are going to use the survey dataset 2 as an example in here. So once you drag survey dataset 2 to the table field, you will see that all of your columns will be listed down here. And Tableau will automatically recognize the data type for each column. And you can see that sometimes the data type might not be recognized correctly, or sometimes you may want to change the data type. Then you can actually do that. So where you can see the data type is on the top of each column. It's above the column name. So for example, if you see a hashtag in here, this is actually a number. And if you see an ABC in here, it's being recognized as a string. So we can, of course, change the data types manually. So let's say if you feel like your PID should be recognized as string instead of a number, then you can click on this hashtag and then go down to string, click it. Now you will see that this is being recognized as a string instead of a number. So the next thing about the different data type in Tableau is dimension versus measure. So when you go to sheet 1, you will see that all the different variables or columns are actually being automatically classified into two groups. The first group is the one on the top, which is being recognized as a dimension. And the second group is actually is being recognized as measure. So dimension is, it contains qualitative values such as names, dates, or geographic data. So you can use dimensions to categorize, segment, and review the details in your data. Dimensions usually affect the level of details in your visualization. On the other hand, all these measures, they contain numeric quantitative values that you can measure, and all these measures can be aggregated when you are doing your visualization. So if you drag a measure into the view, then Tableau will apply an aggregation function to that measure. So later on, we will see more examples of this.